Yo, NBA 2K fans! Today I'm going to teach you how to get an NBA 2K mobile modded version. All right, so this is going to give you unlimited coins. So let me just open it up, and as you can see, I'm broke, but when I press this, I can actually put unlimited coins. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, I got 2,000 right now, really pathetic. So hopefully it starts rising, and then I'm going to show you how to get this NBA 2K mobile mod so you can get unlimited coins. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So please give me the coins. And there you go, guys. As you can see, it works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your phone. So the first thing we're going to do is go into the browser and just type this website. So let me just type it in right here. So I'm pretty sure this is the site. Let me just put it in. All right, so it's called tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site, guys, just type NBA, press on it, and before it downloads, it's going to be like a verification thing. So this is the last step. So basically, you just have to download like 2 apps and follow the instructions. You know, it's 100% free from official stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download, and then we should have unlimited NBA 2K mobile money. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to load, and we should be all good to go. So let's see if it works, and it should say like missing files or something. So we just have to download these. You only have to get 2 of them. So we got like Travel Town. This one says download and reach level 10. So it's like a game. So I just play through this. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is sick.